In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch your WordPress site using GoDaddy. Whether you're looking for the simplest route with managed WordPress hosting or prefer a more hands-on approach with a manual installation, this guide will walk you through both options to get your site up and running smoothly. Let's start with the easiest and most straightforward option, GoDaddy Managed WordPress Hosting. First, you'll want to sign up or log into your GoDaddy account and purchase a WordPress hosting plan specifically designed for WordPress. This plan comes with several conveniences that can save you time and effort. Once you have your hosting plan, use the GoDaddy Setup Wizard to connect your domain. Most of the time, SSL is included, so make sure to enable that for secure browsing. WordPress should install automatically, but if it doesn't, the Setup Wizard will walk you through the process. With WordPress installed, you'll gain access to your WordPress admin dashboard by visiting your domain and adding WP admin to the URL. This is your hub for all things related to building and managing your website. Now that you're logged into WordPress, you can choose a theme that suits your site's needs. Browse through the options in either the GoDaddy or WordPress dashboard. After selecting a theme, it's a good idea to install essential plugins. Plugins can enhance your site's functionality, providing features like security enhancements, SEO optimization, or performance boosts. With your theme and plugins set, it's time to create foundational pages like About, Blog, and Contact. If your site includes a blog, you'll need to designate a specific page for blog posts under the reading settings in the WordPress dashboard. Finally, take advantage of GoDaddy's built-in performance and security features to ensure your site is optimized for speed and well protected against threats. If you're more tech-savvy or prefer more control, you might opt for a manual WordPress installation on GoDaddy's typical hosting environment using cPanel. Start by purchasing a standard hosting plan and make sure your domain is pointing to GoDaddy servers. Navigate to your hosting product within your GoDaddy account and open up the cPanel interface. Here you'll likely find a WordPress installer, commonly located in Softaculous or WordPress Manager. Alternatively, you can upload WordPress files manually to your domain root. You'll need to create or select a database and complete the WordPress installation wizard by visiting your domain. Run through the initial WordPress setup where you'll establish your admin username, password, and site title. Once the setup is complete, log into the admin area using the same WP admin URL extension. From here, repeat the process of choosing and installing a theme, adding essential plugins, and building your site structure. Before you get started, make sure to have all your essential information ready. Domain name, hosting details, desired site name, tagline, and admin credentials. Knowing what pages you want to create and potential plugins you'll need can help streamline your process too. A few tips for a smooth setup. Opt for a clean, mobile-friendly theme that's compatible with WordPress and GoDaddy. Enable automatic core and plugin updates to maintain security. Ensure your free SSL is active for secure connections, and remember to back up your site regularly, especially before making significant changes. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials.